everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am doing a very highly requested video, and when I say highly requested I mean very highly requested. Today is a follow-up video. I did a video where I plumped my lips and it has blown up, and everyone was asking me if I still use the device in question. A lot of people complained that I talked a lot in that video, and yeah, granted it was a 23-minute long video, but I tried a product, then I went away, and then I showed you the results, and then I came back and tried another one. More of like an experimental type video. As opposed to a hack video, if you get what I mean. A lot of you want to know if I was still using it and what the results were. Truth be told, I did carry on using it like a couple days, but it broke, stopped working, so I had to get in touch with them on Amazon. I got a refund and then I bought another one, but I didn't buy another one for a bit afterwards. I use it kind of like before I film and every now and then, but I don't use it regularly. Is that the word? Regularly. It's actually not available on Amazon at the moment, but it basically recommends to use it 3 to 5 times a day for 5 minutes each time. After 4 to 6 weeks, the lips will become full due to more collagen production. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start tomorrow morning and I'm going to do it 3 times a day, 5 minutes, and I'm going to let you know at the end of it what my results are. I'm going to do this for 4 weeks because 6 weeks is just too long. Also, can I please just address in that video, so the one video that had to go of mine had to be one where my eyebrows looked like that, didn't it? Basically, I had my eyebrows microbladed. That was the first time I had them done, and you can't touch them or put any product in them or anything, so that's what my eyebrows looked like. I know, it hurts me to look at them. It probably hurts you to look at them, but trust me, it hurts me more. I do get a fair few comments as well asking if I've had filler. I think a lot of it is to do with probably my aligners. I'm straightening my teeth. Basically, I've got a layer of plastic in my mouth, so I think they push my lips out a little bit, and I think my lips do look fuller when I have them in. But also, because my teeth are moving, these two teeth, my fangs, what do you call them, your incisors, they were quite in, and now they're being pushed out. So that might be a reason as well. If my lips look fuller at the moment, my teeth are changing, so it might be something to do with that as well. But anyway, yeah, enjoy. Don't talk too much. People get upset when you talk too much. Hi team! It is now a month later. It's now the 18th of May. I have been using this thing. This thing has been my best friend for the past month. So I have been pumping my lips 3 times a day for the past month. Let's just have a look at my lips, shall we? I think, as I said before, like, I think these aligners do push my lips out slightly. My bottom lip, I think, looks fuller, and I think that it's pushed the top lip out a bit. I don't know how full my top lips look overall, but I think at least the Cupid's bow looks fuller from the side. I mean, I think they look fuller, personally. I haven't got any lipstick on at the moment. I feel like I can pout my bottom lip out more now. You got a better result and they were bigger when I used it on a lower setting for longer. So I did put a timer on my phone, and 3 times a day I did it for 5 minutes. Some days, I'm not gonna lie, I did do it twice, only because, there we go, I did it again. The only reason I would have done it twice is if the cats were in my room and they suddenly hear this and they're like, they freaked, so I decided whenever I had a cat in the room I wasn't going to do it. It's a little bit laborious, I'm not going to lie, it's a bit of effort. If this wasn't in lockdown, I really would not have been able to have done it, just because if I'm out and about, I think probably the easiest way to use this would just be before bed. Whilst you're scrolling on your phone or whatever, just have it on a low setting for like 5 minutes or so, and then if you want to use it that way then you can. I mean, are the results drastic enough for you guys to go out and get one? I still can't get over the comments on that video. A lot of people are just savage. Clearly in the video everyone had it in for my poor top lip. The poor thing, she can't help it. There's also been lovely comments on there, so I just want to say thank you to everyone who is now a subscriber since watching that video. Oh, still pains me to look at those eyebrows, but anyway, so yeah, here's me and ye old faithful. I'll probably continue to use it like maybe before I go to bed or something like that. As subtle as it may be, I do think that there is a difference. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for the love on the other video as well. And if you have come from that video, please comment down below lips, just so I know. And that will make me happy because it was so requested. I know that a lot of people were saying about testing different lip plumpers. I still use the PLUMPED lip gloss. I still obviously have been using this. I don't know if it's still available or if you can still get it. I was thinking about maybe trying different plumpers. I saw an ad on Instagram came up and I thought maybe I could try a different lip plumper, compare them and see what works best. Let me know if you'd like to see that down below. Anyway, Ooouse, if you want to sponsor me, please do, because your girl's out of work at the moment because all pubs and clubs and music venues are shut. So let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Let's have a fun chat in the comments down below about lip products. Please subscribe if you're new here and whack that notification bell on, because I upload twice a week and you don't want to miss out on one of my uploads. No you don't. Please give this video a like if you liked it and would like to see more videos like this in the future, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.